Elon Musk just dropped Grok 4. It's not just smarter, it's aiming to shake up the AI world. On July 10th, xAi quietly unleashed Grok 4. No big spectacle, just a live stream on X. And yep, still Twitter to most of us. Instead of one model, xAi introduced two models. They are the regular Grok 4 and the developer-focused Grok 4 Code. Each serves a different purpose, but together they make a bold claim. This isn't just a chatbot, it's a power tool. Grok 4 is your general purpose AI sidekick. It helps you write better, summarize faster, translate smoother, and even reason more logically. It's got function calling power too. It's not just replying, it's actually doing stuff. If you hated how older AI bots fumble logic or give lazy answers, well, this version just aims to fix that. It's like having a slightly sarcastic but high IQ friend who actually shows their work. Now let's talk to coders. Grok for Code is where things get serious. This version plugs into developer tools like Cursor, Endo, Autocode Gen, real-time debugging, context-aware suggestions, and clear navigation for giant code bases. It's gunning for GitHub Copilot's job, and honestly, it has got the resume. Previous Groks weren't exactly honor students in maths, but Grok 4, it's been hitting the books. Now it can break down step-by-step problems, solve scientific queries, and ace logic tests with more precision. It's perfect for students, scientific researchers, and anyone who has screamed at their AI for their bad math answer. Grok 4 is still text only, no images, no videos yet. xAi says multimodal is coming soon. Just not today, not tomorrow, but soon. Here is the xAi's bigger play. Grok 4 isn't trying to be flashy. xAi wants it to be effective, clean, powerful, and fast. But with OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic all leading the pack, Grok's real test is user trust. If it works well in the wild, it could go very far. If it doesn't, then it's just Elon hype. So is Grok 4 worth your time? If you code, yes. If you're AI curious, give it a try. If you're here for the memes, keep scrolling. Hit like if you're into clean tech breakdowns. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.